Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I'm a national expert in IRS debt and matters. I've been on the national news many times. Just go to my website and you'll learn about me. Oh, I just wrote a book. I'm getting in and out of this. What do you do if you owe back taxes and you haven't filed back tax returns? That's the dilemma that people have. They have to file their back taxes and they know they're going to owe money. So they don't know how to do either, and they're frozen really on what to do. It's important you know this because I've done this job for IRS and I've been in tax defense. The first thing is you got to file your tax returns. That's really critical, and most people don't know even how to do that. They're frozen. So if you can't do it, then that means you have to hire someone, whoever. And most people don't have the records. They don't know where to start. Well, you start by pulling your IRS records. If you're doing this yourself, go ahead online to irs.gov and find out what IRS has on you. You want to pull your transcripts up. That's what we would do if we were working the case. We want to find 1099s. We want to find W-2s. And then at that point in time, we start with that base. And then if you have records or don't, we can reconstruct your tax returns. My wife's butt is sticking out in this video, so don't mind her. She's saying she's sorry. You're probably, don't look at her butt. I'm just making, anyway. So now you're going to owe an IRS debt. Someone can reconstruct easily your tax return because they do this every day. I do this every single day. Anyone who you want to choose, now you're going to have the debt. So what's next? Well, IRS has to make a determination on your case. So how are they going to do that? It's very simple. They're going to want a financial statement. It's an IRS form 433F. With that form, they're either going to put you in the currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or to settle the debt to the offer. So there's a whole system to do this. If you call anyone who knows what they're doing, anywhere, they're just going to put you right in their system, and out comes the case. It's like making brownies. You put the batter in, nuts, marshmallows, whatever I do, and boom, out comes the case. So it's not new to them. So if you have that problem, you're caught up with the worry, not knowing that people already know how to do this. So if you haven't filed back taxes, if you want to do it yourself, pull your transcripts up. You try to reconstruct your tax return. Easy to do. When you have the debt, IRS wants a financial statement. They wind up closing the case. That is the process. If you need me, call me. But it's a very, very simple process. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the subscription.